playing his 20th match against Orlando Pirates this evening, Stanton. As you can imagine, though, it hasn't always gone his way. Just 4 wins, and he hasn't been involved in a win. And pre-gamers, yes, they are a counter-attacking side, but they're also not necessarily a side like some that try to win the ball, particularly high up the field. They have scored more counter-attack goals than Amazulu this season, but I was talking about their reluctance to press and allow the opposition to bypass.
When they do apply the pressure and try and regain possession, and that means if they do win back possession there, it's not far from the goal. Instead of winning back possession, currently it's a bit of a switch. Apollos out wide and Otto a little bit more inverted.
Now Amazulu come away with it. They have to be considered and are with the way they use the ball. Win, holding it up. Bird promptly gives it away. That's the defender who wins that particular battle as Mbatha flings it across field for Otto. And move quickly upon him. Now Moremi's ball in. And a chance here, ricochets towards goal from Mbatha. It's the clearance of Philly straight into the shins of Mbatha.
So they're outnumbering them in the box. It was a delicious ball played in there. Clearance from Keegan Allen and almost ricocheted into their own net. Yeah. A lot of it fortuitous there, Phillies, with the attempted clearance.
Right, they've scored 11 first-half goals. It's jointly the most, along with Mamelodi Sundowns. Here's Mufokeng. Mbatha. It's a little more movement from his teammates. Cut them out.
So Mufokeng just drifting to get a bit of space in possession.
Mbatha. Now Van Rooyen.
But this low block and
pause over that time. They come off an impressive home victory. They've now won their last 6. Mufokeng. It's a deliberate ploy with Van Rooyen now on the left, and 16th season with Mamelodi Sundowns as Amazulu went to Korea. Stayed on his feet quite brilliantly here in Gwenya, and so then that pass just lacking the required power.
yeah, I think the pitch once again in play. 16 well on his way.
Well, Gwenya probably could have gone down there and got the free kick, which Amazulu might not have been able to do. Makaula. Mbatha. Oh, proficient from range. As we know, he cracked a couple last season. Orlando Pirates have scored 4 goals from outside the area. Gave Keegan Allen an opportunity to recover. Pirates have won it again. Mbatha. Apollos laying it off for Mufokeng. Has the strength to get away from Khadebe. Mbatha. Moremi puts it across. Mufokeng over the top.
Target. Great defensive work there from Khadebe. Released it from Mufokeng. Hung out, lurking on the edge of the box.
A couple of changes for Orlando Pirates. Van Rooyen making way for Sibilibili. And Mbatha. Mbatha. Incredible quality on the bench for Orlando Pirates. 2 players who joined the team at the beginning of this season coming on as subs. Sibilibili is on the verge of a suspension.